You'd probably never guess what one of the most common causes of reflux is because it's counterintuitive and it goes against pretty much everything you would think. And a lot of doctors don't even test you for it because it's just not common knowledge in our current system. And I know about this firsthand because I dealt with it. The problem is actually low stomach acid. If you don't have enough stomach acid in your stomach to break down your food, then that's going to cause all kinds of problems with digestion. I actually was really sick for 2 years. I went to the doctor, they diagnosed me with gastritis. They did an endoscopy, they couldn't find anything wrong, and they put me on a PPI, which is the exact opposite that they should have done. So eventually I came off of the PPIs, even though they wanted me to stay on them longer, and instead what I started doing was I started supporting my digestion. And one of the ways I do that is with this stuff right here. I found out about this because a friend told me about it, and then I went online and started researching, and I found so many people in Reddit, which is like just like the people's forum, right? I went there and so many people said that this is what really helped them. What this is it's just freeze-dried papaya powder. And the way it works is, first of all, freeze-dried is important. You don't want like dehydrated or like gummy style or whatever, because that can break down the enzymes. Freeze drying actually preserves the enzymes, but papaya has a lot of this thing in it called papain, which is a proteolytic enzyme. And that's just an enzyme that specializes in breaking down the proteins that you eat. Ever wonder why you never see pineapple in like a Jello fruit mold or whatever? It's because pineapple has a similar enzyme. It's not the same, but it's similar. It is a proteolytic enzyme. It will break down all of the Jello into basically liquid. That's pretty much the same idea here. The papain breaks down the proteins that you eat into something that's easier for you to digest. So I got myself a bag of this. I did my homework and I made sure to get the freeze dried. And the first time that I had reflux and I took this stuff, within 15 minutes, I felt better. And I don't mean a little bit better. I mean, it was done. It was gone. It was over. I didn't have that bloated feeling that I always feel after eating a meal, no matter what it was. I didn't have any acid kicking up my throat. It was just done. It's gotten rid of my reflux. It's natural, so I feel comfortable taking it as often as I need it. For me, it's usually once or twice a day. I don't have that bloated feeling anymore. My gut doesn't feel like I'm constant, like, yeah, it's hard to breathe sometimes because you have all that inflammation. And I don't know if this is the most important thing, but it's the thing that makes me the happiest is I can actually eat the foods I love again. I can eat chocolate. I can eat spaghetti with red sauce. I can even have coffee once in a while without reflux. I can enjoy the occasional beer, and I can sleep soundly at night because I'm not constantly having that reflux. Everybody's different, and I'm not promising that this is going to be some magical cure and it's going to work for everybody, but it does help a lot of people. So if you've tried everything under the sun and you haven't yet given papaya powder a try, I would recommend trying it out. This is the one that I like. It's the first one I tried. It worked for me instantly, and I just keep getting it over and over again. And it says right here, like, they know why you're getting it. Natural papaya enzymes. It is very clean. It's just one ingredient, organic papaya powder. And it just worked really well for me. It has 45 servings in every bag. And if you want to try it out, I will link the exact one that works so well for me right down here at the bottom of the video. Hopefully you do, and it gives you as much relief as it gives me and thousands upon thousands of other people.